Good evening, everybody. It is April the 23rd, 2019. It is 12:14 in the morning. I'm going to go over these earthquakes with you real quick. This will be your midnight report. A 4.7 Russia off the east coast at 28 miles in depth. A 3.2 Dominican Republic at 6.2 miles in depth. A 3.4 off the shore of northern California, 62 miles west of Ferndale, and that came in at 3.1 miles in depth. A 4.1 off the shore of Guerrero, Mexico at 13.0 miles in depth. This started out as a 4.6, upgraded to a 4.8 Owen fracture zone at 37.2 miles in depth. A 4.0 Malaccan Sea, Indonesia region at 6.2 miles in depth. I'll check that earthquake out in a second, guys. There was a 2.1 Arizona. Guys, I'm not bringing the bell out at midnight. And that came in at 0 miles in depth. That was 2 miles west of Meadowview at 0. There was a 3.5 Tennessee. That's the New Madrid Fault region. It came 3 miles northwest of Ridgely, and that came in at 5.5 miles in depth. A 2.1 Southern California, 6 miles northeast of Imperial at 1.8 miles in depth. There was a 2.7 a 2.9 downgraded to a 2.7 Baja California, Mexico region. That came in at 15.5 miles in depth. A 3.6 Costa Rica at 16.7 miles in depth. There was a 3.7 downgraded to a 3.4 Eastern Turkey, another 0 miles in depth. There was a 3.1 Haiti at 7.4 miles in depth. A 3.7 Loso, L-O-S-O, that came in at 6.2 miles in depth. A 2.8 Dominican Republic at 42.8 miles in depth. A 2.4 Southern California, Baja border region, and that came in at 2.0 miles in depth. Sorry, the dogs next door just came out. Maybe I should get the bell. What do you think? There was a 3.9 on the EMSC site, Southern California, 5 miles south of Brawley, and they had that at 10 miles in depth. Now, USGS had it at 3.7 Southern California, 5 miles south of Brawley, and they had it at 10 miles in depth. Both links are in the description box. A 2.2 Nevada, 2 miles west-northwest of Meadowview, and that came in at 0 miles in depth. All right, that's what I have for your evening report. God bless. Be safe. Thank you so much for watching. Sweet dreams, everybody. I'm shutting it down for the night, and that means I'm shutting off the phone and shutting off the computer. Have yourself a wonderful evening. Let's see what that last earthquake was here. Get rid of that one and open this one up. All right, I'll report that in the morning. It's not that big. It's definitely not California. All right, sweet dreams, everybody. Have yourself a great evening and sleep tight. 2 thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching.